Hi everyone, this is Hannah, bringing you this week's tech tip from Strucsoft Solutions Great Tech Group. In today's tech tip, we're going to talk about how we create oddball trusses. I have a blank project. All I'm going to need is to draw a wall, and this wall is only going to be used as a reference. We can then later delete it. I'm going to go to the 3D view. Let's make this wall a little bit smaller, like this. The first thing we need to do is we're going to have to go to architecture, set a work plane. So I'm going to click on set, pick a plane, and this is the entire reason why we needed this wall temporarily. I'm going to click on show just to show you that the work plane is right here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look in the front view, and I'm going to use Revit Model Lines to create the profile of the truss that I would like to achieve. I can delete this wall for now. This is all I needed, the wall 4. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the lines that I've just created, and I'm going to group them. You can call this group whatever you like, and hit OK. The next step will be to go to the Truss module and select the group and click on Create. This will open up this dialog box, and you can fill in the information that you need. I'm going to be creating a wall truss, and I'm not going to web on launch. If you web on launch, you might get an error. There's nothing identical to replicate, so this has to be unticked, and I'm just going to hit OK. You're going to get the following profile, and all of the lines are going to be identified as, if I double click on one of them, as oddball. So all of these lines that I have created using Revit are recognized as oddball lines in MWF. Please make sure to assign the correct settings. So this one is a heel. This one here is a heel. This one here is a bottom track. And this one here is a top track. Now you can generate web. Let's go back to the settings. I'm going to just change this. Okay, clear web, generate web. This one looks better. Now if we click on OK, auto rename all, we have just created this truss. If you're using advanced metal, you can also engineer this truss as well. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next week.